How Screencastify works. Screencastify is a popular screen recording and video editing tool primarily used as a Google Chrome extension. It is designed for capturing your screen activities, creating educational content, tutorials, presentations, and more. Here is how Screencastify works. Installation and setup. Screencastify is a Chrome extension, so you need to install it from the Chrome Web Store. Once installed, you will need to grant necessary permission for the extension to access your screen and microphone. To launch the extension, you can start Screencastify by clicking on the icon in your Chrome browser's extension bar. Select recording options. Screencastify provides several recording options. Tab recording. This captures the content of a specific browser tab. Desktop recording records your entire screen. Webcam only. Record your webcam video without. You can also choose whether to include your microphone audio in the recording. Start recording. After selecting your recording option, click the record button to start recording session. Recording controls. During recording, Screencastify provides controls for pausing, stopping, and resuming the recording. You can also draw on the screen to emphasize points or use the built-in cursor highlighter. Post-recording editing. Screencastify allows you to trim and edit your recording after it is finished. You can cut out unwanted parts, add text, annotations, or images to enhance your video. Save and export. Once you are satisfied with your recording and edit, you can save the video locally or export it to Google Drive or YouTube. Screencastify provides cloud storage options as well. Sharing and distribution. Screencastify makes it easy to share your video with others through links or embedded code. You can also set privacy option for your video. Integration with Google Workspace. If you are an educator or use Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, Screencastify integrates seamlessly with Google Drive.